Shemai a croeso I vlog yr wsos yma. Hi and welcome to this week's vlog. At the end of last week, we took the opportunity to launch our Welsh suckler beef production document at the world-renowned chef Bryn Williams' North Wales Porthaerias restaurant in Colwyn Bay. This was a phenomenally successful event, and it gave us the opportunity to showcase the brilliant Welsh beef that the suckler cow produces here in Wales. But not only that, the work that the suckler cow does in maintaining our habitats in the uplands. At the beginning of the week, Abby and myself took the opportunity as new NFU Cymru office holders to meet with Hugh Davies and his officials down in Cardiff. We took the opportunity to give him a copy of the suckler cow report, and we also discussed ongoing issues with bovine TB, water quality framework, cost burden of regulation, and obviously the continuing crisis in the dairy sector. As we now approach the party political conferences here in Wales, Abby took the opportunity to welcome the leader of the Green Party in Wales on farm midweek. We will also be at the Welsh Conservative Party conference in Llandudno at the end of the week, where we will have a chance to discuss all things agricultural policy with their members. Can I also take the opportunity this week to remind everybody it is Mind Your Head week, so please take the opportunity to reach out to family and friends just to make sure that everybody's okay. Cymerwch yr amser I gysylltu efo ffrindiau a theulu just I wneud siŵr bod pawb yn iawn ar wsnos fel hon. So that's the end of another busy week, and we look forward to giving you the next vlog.